Right. This is a pretest, and it's on Fluently adding and subtracting within 1,000. What I want you to do is try to answer the first problem, and then turn the video off, answer the question, and then turn it back on and see if you answered it correctly. So the first problem is place the expressions in the correct category based on their value. Now, there's going to be a problem like this on your test, so I wanted to explain it. It says, these are the categories, this orange box and this blue box. And this category is the value between 300 and 349. This does not say 300 minus 349. It's the value between 300 and 349. And the blue box is the value between 350 and 399. So you're going to solve these two problems and see which one goes in the correct box. All right, try to do that. Now turn off the video, do the problem on a separate sheet of paper, and then come back when you're done. All right, here we go. So I'm first going to try to solve this problem here. So the first thing I do is I write the first number, and then I put down my place value chart. And then I put the ones place, the tens, and the hundreds. And I'm just going to put hund. Okay. Now I have to put this number 165 in the correct place in my place value chart. So that's 100, 6 tens, 5 ones. And now I can subtract. Remember, I always go to the ones house first. So I have 6, and I can take away 5. I'm left with 1. Now I go to the tens house. I have 3. Can I take away 6? 1, 2, 3. No, I can't. So I have to go next door to the hundreds house and grab 10 more. Go next door, grab 10 more. Now I can do the tens. So it's 13, take away 6. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So this answer's 7. Now I finally go to the hundreds house. So I have 4, take away 1, 4, 3. Now I look at this answer. Now 371, is it between 300 and 349, or 350 and 399? It looks like this goes in this category. So I finished this one. This one right here goes into that category. Okay. Now I'm going to try this one here, and I'm going to use blue pen. So I'm going to write the number 753, and then I'm going to do my place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, and I just put hund again. And now I have to put this number 426 into the correct place. So this is a 400, so I put it here in the hundreds place, the 20 in the tens place, and the 6 in the ones place. And now I can subtract. So remember, I always go to my ones house first. I have 3. Can I take away 6? 1, 2, 3. No, I can't. So I have to go next door and grab 10 more. And now I'm going to subtract from my ones house. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So this is the 7 in the ones house. Now I'm going to go to the tens. I have 4, and I'm going to take away 2, and that leaves me with 2. And then I'm going to go to the hundreds house. I have 7. I'm going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm left with 3. So now it looks like this value, 327, is between 300 and 349. So I would put that value here in this category. So this right here, I would drag it into there. Okay, that's the first problem. The second problem, it says, which of the expressions below will have a 3 in the ones place of the difference? Select all that apply. So here it's A, B, C, or D. So do that problem. So turn off the video and then solve this on a separate piece of paper and then turn the video on again and come back. All right, here we go. So I'm going to try to do this. First, I want you to know what these words mean. Expression is easy. It just means it doesn't have an equal sign. So all of these, there's no equal sign. So this is an expression, this is an expression, this is an expression, and this is an expression. So which of the expressions below will have a 3 in the ones place of the difference? Now, difference, you just have to remember this vocabulary word. It just means the answer to subtraction. So all we're doing is seeing which one has a 3 in the ones place. So which answer will have a 3 in the ones place? So here we go. Let's do the first one. So I'm going to try to do it here. Hopefully I'm going to have enough room. I'm going to write kind of small. 607. And then I do the place value chart. And I'm just going to abbreviate with just a 0, 10s, 100s. So I have enough room. And then I'm going to put 184 in the proper place and subtract. So I go to the ones house. I have 7. Can I take away 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's a 3. Now I'm going to go to the tens house. I have 0. Can I take away 8? No. So I have to go next door, grab 10 more, and now I can do the tens house. So I have 10, take away 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm left with 2. And now I'm going to do the hundreds. I have 5. I'm going to take away 1. That's 4. Now, it looks like there is a 3. This is the ones place. So it looks like there's a 3 in the ones place. So this one is correct. So I would circle it. But watch out, it says select all that apply. That usually means there's going to be more than one. So I'm going to try all of these. Now I'm going to do the purple one. So I have 674. Take away 334. And I'm going to do my place value chart. And I'm going to abbreviate 0, 10s, 100s. All right. So now I go to my ones place. 4, take away 4 is 0. That was easy. 7, take away 3. 1, 2, 3 is 4. And 6, take away 3. 1, 2, 3 is 3. Now, if I look here at the ones house, there's definitely not a 3 in the ones place of the difference. So this one is a no. Now I'm going to try C. Oh, this pen is not good. I'm going to try this one. So now I'm going to write 532 and take away 129. And then I'm going to do my place value chart. And I'm going to abbreviate ones, tens, hundreds. And now remember I go to my ones place. I have 2. Can I take away 9? 1, 2. No, I can't. So I'm going to have to go next door. Change this to a 2. And grab 10 more. So now I have 12, take away 9. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I put a 3 here. Okay. Now I go to the tens house. 2, take away 2. That was easy, is 0. And then I go to my hundreds. 5, take away 1 is 4. Now I look at the ones place, see if there's a 3 in the ones place. And I'm going to do that right here. And it looks like in the answer, in the difference, there is a 3 in the ones place. So C is also correct. So always watch out for that. Select all that apply. And then the last one, hopefully I'm going to have enough room. I'm going to write it right here. 482. Take away 168. And I'll do my place value chart in green this time. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now I have 2 in the ones place. Can I take away 8? 1, 2. No, I can't. So I have to go next door, change this to a 7, and grab 10 more. Now I have 12, take away 8, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So this is a 4. Now I go to the tens house, 7, take away 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I've got 1. And then 4 take away 1 is, I can just do it like this, 4 take away 1 is 3. Now again, if I look at the ones house, the difference in the answer in the ones house, it's not a 3, so that one would not be it. So the answer to this problem is A and C. Next problem. It says, add the following numbers. How many hundreds do you get in the final sum? Well, here's the crazy word here. Sum just means answer to addition. So all I'm going to do, now this is a trick. Remember, we want to write these up and down. We want to write these all up and down. So I'm going to write 267. Then I'll write 324. And then 452. I'm going to add those. I'm going to do my place value chart. And remember, I'm just going to abbreviate. So that's ones, tens, hundreds. And now when I count, I like to do this dot method way. So I always start with the biggest number, I hit it, and then I just count on with dots. So I'm going to go to the ones house first, because we always go to the ones house first. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13. The ones place goes down, the tens place goes up. Now I'm going to go to the tens house. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that number is 14. So the ones place goes down and the tens place goes up. Now I'm in the hundreds place. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And since there's no other digit here, I'm just going to drop the whole 10. And then I put a comma, and then that is my sum. And then it says, how many hundreds do you get in the final sum? So how many hundreds? So that is crazy. Since this is the thousands place here, I'm going to say you get 0 hundredths as the answer. Okay, so that's the answer to that one. Next problem, solve. So again, they're trying to trick you writing this horizontally. You really should rewrite it vertically so you can put it in a place value chart. So I'm going to write the first number, 236. Notice how I just start with the first one. I don't go to the biggest. I just start with the first, then I go to the second and write it. And then I write the third. And that's because when I go to subtraction, that will help me. So now I just do my place value chart. I write ones, tens, hundreds. And now I'm just going to solve. So I have, I go to the ones house first, so I always go to the ones, and then it looks like an easier problem like this anyway. And I'm going to start with the biggest number and then count with dots the other two numbers. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that was 22. So remember the ones place goes down and the tens place goes up. So I'll put a 2 here. Now I'm going to count this one. I think I'm going to start with the biggest number here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got 15. The ones place goes down, the tens place goes up, and now I'm going to count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I've got my answer. So 752 would be my answer to this problem. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks, bye.